Hello everyone, Charles again. Hey, I'm in Walton, Kentucky today. Come to see some trains. We got Norfolk Southern and we got CSX trains here. Right now I'm over here at the City Hall. And at the City Hall you've got the CSX line right there, crosses the road. And behind City Hall you've got Norfolk Southern. So we're gonna see some trains. The other crossing is right over there. And there's a graveyard right behind the railroad tracks. And a memorial. We'll have a look at that too. Go ahead and start the video, son. Here we go. Walton, Kentucky. Whoa, gotta hurry up over here. Almost way too long for this one. That was a real train, pulled by a truck. Yes, that was a real train pulled by a truck. That was a good one. On the CSX. All right, there you go. Man, they were booking. That was a good one too. Wow. Yeah, over here is the cemetery. There you go. All right, well, things have dried up over here. So I'm gonna change locations and we'll see what else we get. So here we go, somewhere else. All right, here we go. We got a northbound train coming through right now. Gate's gonna go down at any time. pretty quick. That's another empty grain train, northbound. They were booking. What was the hurry? That was a good one. I like this spot right here since they cut this brush out. You can see them come around that curve really good. But wait, there's more. There always is. We got a CSX train coming right now, a southbound. This is gonna be awesome catching come around this curve right here. One of my favorite spots here on Locust Street. There's the crossing, cross buck protected. Here comes your train. All right, there you go. That defect detector will go off again after the rear of the train goes past it.
CSX equipment defect detector, milepost 89.0. No defects. No defects. Total axle 172. Train lane 2588. End of transmission.
There you go. That's a local. They'll be going up along the Ohio River. I forget the name of that town. Anyways, that was the engine train, or the defect detector going off. Sorry about that. All right, here we go. We got another train coming. Southbound, just call out the signal. 20.1. Perfect shot right here at the sun, shooting straight on the train. Wow, that train was booking. What is the hurry? That was a good one. That DPU on the back, working hard. That was a really good train. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hopefully get another one like that.
But wait, there's more!
All right, here we go. Southbound on the CSX coming around the S curves here. Should get plenty of horn at the crossing. Yeah, it might be a manifest. Look at that view, that's cool. $10.17 on the placard. $10.75, $32.57 for that. It says hot. Those all say hot on the placard.
CSX, equipment detector, milepost, 9.0.
$32.57. $18.30 on that placard. $1,005. What is 1,005? Somebody looked that up. I'm not familiar with that one. Green with a 2 on it. All right, there you go. I can't hardly get around that bush to see the train anymore. But we'll hear the defect detector go off here in just a minute, see how many axles they've got. Thanks for watching. That was pretty cool. That was a good one.
CSX Equipment Defect Detector. Milepost 89.0. No defects. No defects. Total axle 388. Train lane 5590. End of transmission.
There you go. That train was over a mile long on 161.370. And there's a close look at the rail on the CSX track. 136 pounds per yard. Nippon is the one that rolled it, and they rolled it in January of 2022. Of course, that doesn't mean it was laid in January of 2022. That's just when it was rolled.
Ah, but wait, there's more. Of course there always is.
Here we go. Northbound, they're booking. Signals are working fine. That was a good one. Another empty grain train going to a grain elevator near you somewhere. But wait, there's more. There always is. Hey, we got a train coming, and it is really dark now. So we're going to put this camera to the test. This is my new camera right here. It's supposed to do better in the dark. So you might just be hearing the audio of a train, but we'll see what it does. Here comes the train. This is southbound. Well, I'm going to try it with the light on and see what it does. This is, I think it said 44R. Okay, everyone, thanks for watching my videos. I appreciate your support. If you have time, watch another video because every view really helps my channel. Now it's time for the slideshow and we got the pets. See you later. Jawtooth out. All right, so there's Lily right there. Her team is playing against the boys right now. And the score is tied 1-1. Lily got a goal. She got the first goal of the game, so that was pretty cool. There she is right there, right in the middle. Can't see her number. Got live action. There she is. There she is. Wally got it. All right, there's Aubrey. They just put her in as goalie here. One of the live action kids. Take and go. There's live action Lily right there. Aubrey's way down there, right there. Oh, there it goes. Come on, Lily. Oh, try to get a goal. There's Aubrey right there. There she is. Just kicked the ball down this way somewhere. There's Lily. Too many boys in the way. Oh! Lily got a goal. Good job, Lily. All right. Now we got 2 points. Well, that's the end of the game. Now they do the handshake thing. It's 5-2. It was a good game. Boys against the girls. Chester, you took the toy. Chester took the toy.